Hey, what's up? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, a smartphone that aims to deliver flagship features without breaking the bank. Right off the bat, the Camon 40 Pro presents a sleek and modern design. Measuring 164.4 by 74.3 by 7.3 millimeters and weighing in at 178 grams, it's both slim and lightweight. The device boasts an IP68, IP69 rating, meaning it's dust-tight and can withstand water immersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Available in Galaxy Black, Emerald Lake Green, and Glacier White, there's a color to suit various tastes. The Camon 40 Pro features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 393 ppi. This combination ensures vibrant colors and smooth scrolling, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor, built on a 6nm process. This octa-core chipset comprises 2 by 2.2 GHz Cortex, A76 and 6 by 2.0 GHz Cortex, A55 cores, coupled with a Mali G57 and C2 GPU. Paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the Camon 40 Pro should handle multitasking and storage needs efficiently. Photography is a focal point for the Camon 40 Pro. The rear setup includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.9 aperture, optical image stabilization, and phase detection autofocus. Accompanying this is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.5 aperture and PDF, catering to high-resolution selfies and video calls. The device houses a 5,200 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging. According to Tecno, this allows the phone to charge from 0 to 50% in approximately 23 minutes and to 100% in about 43 minutes, ensuring users spend less time tethered to an outlet. Notable extras include dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, NFC capabilities, and an array of sensors such as a geomagnetic sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, compass, ambient light sensor, and infrared remote control. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro positions itself as a compelling option in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a blend of robust features and stylish design. Its combination of a high refresh rate AMOLED display, versatile camera system, and substantial battery capacity makes it a device worth considering for those seeking value without compromising on essential features. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.